Yeah, I think it
Wait,
was
but
the shelf thing
that's
that
L.
found in the
No.
bag. It was just so cool.
Look. You go mess with them. You got a license? Let me see the license. No license? Huh? Oh yeah? Wow, really? Wow, good job. Wow, looks nice. How much? Um, what's this? I guess I'll take it.
L trains are not running between
How much? How much is that? Oh, that's a keychain. Wow. How much? Huh? 10? Let me see if I got cash. You got anything for, how much is the rose? All 10? Oh, they all 10. Hold this, hold this. Hold this. Hold this.
Hold
And,
this.
hold
Okay.
it and record me, please. Till I get your money.
Okay.
You take Cash App?
Yeah.
Record me.
All L trains are being instructed to hold in station.
You
In other words, there's no
have
L
Cash
train
App?
service.
Cash App, yeah.
L train service is suspended at this time in both directions.
Ah.
Northbound service and southbound service. Brooklyn bound service and 8th Avenue bound service. There is no L train service at this time.
Thank you.
Please use other methods of transportation.